Hello, friend. This is Oscar. I will be showing you today how to do basic operation using the command line. Let's start with um, opening the command line tool because the only way you can work with command line is to use the tool, the command line tool. So how do I access it? All I have to do is type CMD, and you will see the command line prompt here. All right. So here we are. I do not want to work in this folder. And do want to work on the YouTube folder, which you can see. So the first command that I'm going to show you is CD, which stands for change directory. So I'm going to copy this path right here, and then I'm going to type change my directory from Tosca 2001 to YouTube. And here we are. I'm on YouTube under the YouTube folder now. In order for us to know what are the files that are in my directory, I will have to type dir. Once I type dir, I don't see anything, and that makes sense because there is nothing in this folder in the file explorer. Now this leads me to the next command, which is mkdir, which stands for a make directory. All right, so we are going to create two folders. So mkdir folder 1, hit enter, and you will see that the first folder is created instantly. And I can do the same thing now. I do not want to have to type the same word, the same command again. So all I have to do is hit the arrow that of your keyboard page up, and you right there is going to give you the exact command that you launched previously. And then I'm just going to change 1 to 2, and here I am. When I launch it, I should be able to see the second folder being created instantly. All right, so we learned change directory, mkdir, and the last command, I'm going to create. Oh, by the way, the last command that I want to show you is how to move a file from a folder to another. So let's start creating a simple file. Okay, let's create a simple file using my notepad, and I'm gonna say hello world. Let's save that file in the folder 1, and the goal of doing this is to move. Uh, I'm gonna name this file hello.txt, okay? And I'm gonna move that file hello.txt, and I'm gonna move that file from folder 1 to folder 2, okay? All right, so let's figure that out. Let's find out first. Let's access whatever is in folder 1, okay? So that means that I will have to use, if you remember, change directory folder 1, right? On the folder 1, I type dir to see what's in my directory, and you can see hello.txt. All right, so next command, which is the last of this short tutorial, is to move hello.txt from folder 1 to folder 2. Now, let me uh, show you that there is nothing in folder 2. So, I want to go one level up, which means that I want to go back to YouTube. So I had to type cd dot dot. And here I am. Now I want to access folder 2. And so that will lead me to type cd folder 2. And then I want to see if there's anything in folder 2, which lead me to type dir. All right, you can see that there's nothing under this folder. But one thing I can do is move uh, the file from folder 1 to folder 2. So let me go back to folder 1, cd folder 1. And the best way of doing this is to type and put it there. So move hello.txt from folder 1, from where I am currently, to the destination folder. And this is what is shown here. One file move, and you can see hello.txt on the folder 2. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.